When your busy is too busy, it's time to slow it down and surrender. Surrender to an experience beyond measure, where the past and the present meet to bring you unrivaled leisure, utmost tranquility, peace, quiet and serenity as you journey through Africa's beauty in all its glory. A space where you can explore new discoveries, live in the moment, and create lasting memories. And the only place where you have the time to take your time. Surrender to the luxury of slow. The Blue Train, a window to the soul of Africa. Visit bluetrain.co.za for more information.